How to install smart light switches. Unless your home is brand new and specifically designed to be smart, you must replace the existing light switch with the smart one you choose. Don't fret. To do this doesn't require you to be a rocket scientist. However, you need some basic knowledge of electrical wiring and how to use a screwdriver. All the options we will offer to you in this video are very easy to install. If you follow your smart light product instruction manual, it's something you can do by yourself. However, we'll give you a general step-by-step instruction to help you get things ready. Kindly note that the following instruction is for a single gang light switch. Step 1. Understand the existing wiring setup. To know this, you'd have to loosen the existing switch. Before you do that, turn off power at the fuse box for safety reasons. Unscrew the screws and pull off the light switch to expose the wires. This is where you need to pay attention to. Recent homes will have a grounds wire, in and out wires, and a neutral wire. But if the house was built before the 1980s, there won't be neutral wires. Therefore, you have to understand the wiring before purchasing a smart light switch. Don't worry, whichever type of wiring you have, you'd find a smart light switch that'll work. For example, the TP-Link smart switch needs a neutral wire while the Lutron Caseta does not need one. Step 2. Take out the old light switch. Loosen the screws holding the wires in place to disconnect them from the switch. Note each wire as you pull them out so you can know which is which. You can use colored electrical tape to keep track of them. Step 3. Connect the smart light switch. After choosing the smart light switch that matches your wiring and meets your needs, it's time to connect them. Insert each wire into the slot. The in wire into the in slot, etc. Secure the wires in place by tightening them with the screws. Make sure there's no wire sticking out or left unconnected. Turn on the fuse box to test your connection. If there's the power to the light switch, then you can move on. If not, you should check your connection. Step 4. Finish the installation. Neatly fold the wires back into the wall so you can fit the switch back on the wall. Be sure not to force the wires, just gently pack them back in. Screw the smart light switch into place and turn the fuse box back on. Once everything checks out, fix the wall plate, and set up the smart switch on the app. That's it for the installation. Don't forget that the method might differ slightly from brand to brand. So, read the manual before you begin. You can also learn how to set up a smart home the easy way. Check out our description for a link to our video on how to set up a smart home. You'll also find a link you'd follow to buy your smart lights from Amazon. We're sure you've found value in this video. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you want more smart home content like this, visit our website, www.zimsmarthome.com. Thanks for your time. Stay tuned for our next video. See you next time.